Hi guys, once again this is Kazi, and yeah, today I am searching also for trade, and at this moment Euro USD, all those kind of thing is happening and nothing much is going, but same time I like to actually give you guys some encouragement and what can be done in this industry. So I think in 2015 October or so, this account actually started growing for $100 or so, $100,000 or so, and this is because of my before we actually release the Headbreak and Headbreak license, and now Headbreak license become binary alpha license. So I take one of my own personal account and deposit it with $100,000 USD as a security reason, and then start growing this account. And I actually trade this account very often. I mean, whenever I get some time, actually I try to do that. But today let's actually see what and how actually we actually come this far. Even I understand that for some people this is a big money, and we started for 100,000 USD, mean let's say 375, let's say 000, mean 3,775, and 100,000 USD minus almost 275,000 with my spare time. I will say spare time. So this is it, October, and if we go to the end, I am so unlucky. Always whenever I create an account, I lost at least one or two trade, and then I start growing the account, recover the cycle, win, loss, recover. I mean, on that trade maybe I was so what to say, I mean, accurate. That's why I take that trade even after the win. So this is the money management I go through, and lost $5,000 trade here again, and let's see, we recover it with $10,000 trade. So this is how this account, you guys can see, always a recovery. Even in this account I get into big mess, like I have to sometime take $100,000 trade also. So let's see, close to 180 trades and actually help this account grow this far. So you guys just when you guys actually watching this video, you guys can pause and try to find a losing cycle. I hope there is no losing cycle, because if you are doing Headbreak, or if you know binary alpha, all those kind of thing, you know what I'm talking about. License, this is not any kind of marketing video. This video is only for my Headbreak, my blindfold people, my binary alpha people, that this can be achievable. You guys can start seeing that loss, 3 loss. So next time, okay, 4 loss and recover. So this is the $100 trade in the Headbreak. As you guys know that there is 6 bullet type of scenario, and let's go and check. So I will go and yeah, this is the situation actually about this account. So you guys can see that this account grow this far, and I'm doing this video recording because today I have very less trade, because the market just open and all those kind of thing, and same time I just review this account because this is Kazi F account, and I will heavily actually trade this account this week for sure. And let's see if we can actually, I don't like to keep any goal that let's make it 400,000 blah blah blah, all those kind of thing, because if you keep in your mind some goal, obviously you will ruin the whole situation. So it's better to react with the market with your tools and abilities, all those kind of thing. So this is it, guys. Nothing's to give update, and same time one more declaration. Some people are actually saying that we should do another season or something like that, because Aram is free at this moment, and why not, let's do another season 6, so new people will get also some chance, because I can see there is lots of advanced people in binary alpha and binary alpha starter, and also there is Kazi Hilo group also, and same time Headbreak, all those kind of thing. So this video actually make for to encourage guys, don't give up. If you know the things properly, you guys can also make. I think for some people this is enough money in his life, mean $100,000 USD become this far. I know I can. If I give more effort, you guys must be checking the date there. I was so much absent in this account, but if I give effort every single day to this account, you guys know that in between this time it could be $1 million account. But let's see what we can do, because I have so many other things to maintain and all those kind of things. So this is it, guys. This is a simple update from Kazi. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys actually encourage me more to do this kind of video or something like that, I will try my best. Kazi.